Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again, and now we are in a different topic. And you want to know how we can use a column from example within Power Query and within Power BI. We want to know how to use a column from example using Power Query within Power BI. So our first task will be how to split data with column from example. So let me just show you the tables that we need to split data from within Power BI. So here we have a table here. We'll first use this table for the first task to show how we can split the text. So let me just take you to Power BI. So within Power BI, we'll go to Home tab, then Get Data, then we'll choose Excel Workbook. Then from here, we'll go to Merge Files. Then I will click. It's not Merge Files. Let me just go back. It's different files. I'll go to column from example and conditional columns. Then I will choose this file. Then open. Then from here we have quite a number of tables, but I want table 1. I want to use table 1. So I want to split the data within the school code column. So let me click transform data. So this will get us to Power Query Editor. And then from here now we need to split data. We need to split data from school code column. So to split data from a school code column, I will go to add column. Then I will click down here under general custom or other general functions. We have column from example, we have custom column, we have invoke custom function, and then we have conditional column, index column, duplicate column. So we want to use column from example. So I will click column from example. Then I can select from all columns or from selection. So here first I will select school code. Then I will click again column from example. Then I will choose from selection. Then now can decide now I want to take to take the digits of the yearly digits like 2016, 2015, 2019, or I can take the first characters, or I can decide to use the last characters. So I will come here in this column and write here UN. Okay. Then I don't want UN-2016-2003, just want UN. Then next I will write maybe KU. Then from here now I can click OK. Then now we can see we have splitted the text, and then we have taken the first characters of the school code. Again, when we want the numerical values in terms of years, again we can add a column, then come to custom from example, then we'll pick selection. Then now can write 2016. Then when I'm satisfied with the data that I want, I will click OK. Then the same applies when I want the last 5 digits or the last 3 digits of the school code. Can still come and select school code, click column from example, then choose from selection. Then I will take 123, then click OK. Then now we can see we have the last 3 digits of the school code. So when you want to see how the formula has been invoked, you can come and click on this applied steps. You will click on this settings gear, and from there you can see what we have. Delimiter is 0, and then we have advanced options is what we have, and then we have number of delimiters we are also given. Again, I can click on the second one, click on the gear. You can see the start delimiter, end delimiter is 0. When I go to advanced functions, you can see what we have done here. Okay, and when you want to see the formula that has been applied again, you can just come and expand on this formula bar, and you'll see what we have: table.add, and then we have text between delimiters, each text dot between delimiters, and all that, then school code. So this is the formula that has been applied to come up with the text before delimiters. So this one we added the first 2 characters of the school code. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've understood how to split text given a table with quite a number of characters, or how to split data given quite a number of characters within a table. So in our next class, we'll talk about how to merge data from different columns with columns, how to merge data from different columns with matching columns. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.